Good morning, students. Today I would like to explain real numbers exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5 is based on logarithms. That is based on laws of logarithms. First of all, we have to know what is the definition of logarithmic form of a number. Before knowing the logarithmic form of a number, in your previous classes already you learnt about exponential form of a number. Suppose when 2 is multiplied with 2, you will get 2 square. 2 square value is 4. So we can write 2 square equal to 4. For this logarithmic form of this, we can write as log 4 base 2 equal to 2. So this is the logarithmic form of number 2. So definition of logarithmic form of a number. Logarithmic form of a number. If a power x equal to n, then x equal to log n to the base a is called logarithmic form of x. We can read as log n to the base a. Here this a always greater than 0 and a not equal to 1, where a and n belongs to real numbers, set of real numbers. If we have taken 1 or less than 1, logarithmic function is not defined. So it is defined for only positive values and a not equal to 1. In exponents already you know some laws of exponents. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n, which is equal to 1 by a power n minus 1, where n greater than m. A power m whole power n equal to a power m n. So a by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. A power 0 equal to 1, where a not equal to 0. So these are some laws of exponents. So based on these, we can prove laws of logarithms. Laws of logarithms. First one, log x log m to the base a plus log n to the base a equal to log mn to the base a. So this is the first law of logarithm. This also you can prove by using those exponents. Suppose when x a power m equal to x similarly a power n equal to y. So if a power m equal to, what is the logarithmic form, exponential form to logarithmic form? If a power x equal to n, it implies log n to the base a equal to x. Here a power m equal to x means log x to the base a equal to m. Similarly, log y to the base a equal to n. So, what is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n? What is a power m here? X. So here m means log x to the base a, n means log y to the base a. What is mn? So a power m is x into y, xy equal to a power m plus n. So a power x equal to m. Log xy to the base a equal to m plus n. So m means what? Log x to the base a. So log xy to the base a equal to m means log x to the base a plus n means log y to the base a. So log xy to the base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. So log x to the base a equal to log xy to the base a. So to prove this first law of logarithm, first we have to assume a power m equal to x. A power any exponent, a power some value equal to x, and a power another value is y. We are taking both a means base. Here base is same. So for this logarithmic form of a power m equal to x equal to log x to the base a equal to m. Similarly, a power n equal to y means log y to the base a equal to n. Now, what is a power m into a power n? A power m plus n. By using the identity in exponents. So a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So what is a power m? We are assuming x. A power m we are assuming as y. So xy equal to a power m plus n. So xy means here. Now this is again in exponential form. So a power some value equal to another value. Then for this what is the logarithmic form? Log xy to the base a equal to m plus n. Here m equal to what we are assuming? M means log x to the base a. Similarly n means log y to the base a. So this is the first law of logarithms. So similarly we can write remaining formulas also. What are the remaining ones? Next, second one, log x by y to the base a equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. This one also you can prove in same way. Let you have to assume let a power m equal to x, a power n equal to y. For this logarithmic form is log x base a equal to m. Similarly here log y base a equal to n. Now what you have to find? X by y. So a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So what is a power m here? X. X by a power n means y. X by y equal to a power m minus n. For this what is the logarithmic form? Log. This is in the form of a power x equal to b. Log b. What is b? X by y base a equal to m minus n. So log x by y base a equal to what is m value? Log x base a minus n value is log y base a. This is the second law of logarithm. So similarly you can prove remaining laws also. What are the remaining laws? Third one is log x power a log x power m base a equal to m into log x base a. Next one, log x power m base y power n equal to m by n into log x base y. Next one, log 1 to any base equal to 0. Why? Because here a power 0 equal to 1. For this exponential form, logarithmic form is log 1 to the base a equal to 0. Here a is, you can take any base. Log 1 to any base equal to 0. Next, a power log x to the base a equal to x. Next, seventh one, log a to base a, same base, log a to the base a equal to 1. So these are the laws of logarithms. Log xy to the base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. Similarly, log x by y to the base a equal to log x base a minus log y base a. Log x power m to the base a equal to m into log x base a. Log x power m base y power m equal to m by n into log x base y. Log 1 to any base equal to 0. A power log x base a equal to x. Log a base a equal to 1. Next, log a base b you can write as log a by log b. Similarly, 1 by log a base b you can write as log b base a. So these are the laws of logarithms. Based on these laws of logarithms, we can do exercise 1.5. 1.5. In first row I have 9 problems. In those 9 problems, I will tell you 5 problems. Remaining problems you have to do. What is the first one? Determine the values of the following. First one, log 5 base 25. So you have to find the value of this. So you can find the value of this by two methods. First one is by using exponential form to logarithmic form by laws of logarithms. So using exponential form to logarithmic form, you can find the value of this, or by using the laws of logarithms, we can find the value of this. So first, by using exponential form to logarithmic form. What is exponential form to logarithmic form? If a power x equal to n, then for this logarithmic form is log n to the base a equal to x. Now for this problem, if you are assuming x equal to log 5 base 25, so this is the exponential form. For this exponential form, what is the logarithm? For this logarithmic form, what is the exponential form? A power x equal to n. Now this becomes 25 power x equal to 5. This is the logarithmic form. For this exponential form is a power x equal to n. Now 25 you can write 5 square whole power x equal to 5. For this 5 there is no power, means what is the power? 1. So 5 power 2x equal to 5 power 1. Now bases are equal, you have to equate the powers. So 2x equal to 1. Here a power m equal to a power n. Bases are equal. That implies you have to equate the powers. m equal to n. So 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. What we are assuming x equal to log 5 base 25 equal to 1 by 2. This is the solution by using logarithmic form to exponential form or exponential form to logarithmic form. Now by using laws of logarithms, what is the value you have to find? Log 5 base 25, which is equal to log 5. We can write 25 as pi square. Here there is no power, means what is the power? 1. So log 5 power 1 base 5 power 2 equal to 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. Here which formula you are using? Log a power m base b power n equal to m by n into log a base b. So this is 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. Again 1 by 2 into, what is log 5 base 5 value? 1, because log a base a equal to 1. Now 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2. So by using any one of these two methods, we can find the value of this log 5 base 25. By using logarithmic form to exponential form, or by using the laws of logarithms. So if you want to find solution by using this method, you have to know exponential form to logarithmic form of a number. If you want to find value of this by using laws of logarithms, you have to know all the laws of logarithms what I told just before. Now second problem. Log 3 base 81. Next. Base 81. So by using logarithmic formula you can write log 3, 81 you can write 3 power 4. So here there is no power, means 1. You can write log 1 by 4 into log 3 base 3. Here we are using the law of logarithm as log a power m base b power n equal to m by n into log a base b. Again 1 by 4 into log 3 base 3 value is 1, because log a base a equal to 1. Now 1 by 4 into 1, 1 by 4. So this is the solution by using laws of logarithms, or by using logarithmic form to exponential form. If x equal to log n to the base a, then a power x equal to n. This is from logarithmic form to exponential form. Now what is the logarithmic form here? We are assuming x equal to log 3 base 81. Now for this exponential form is 81 power x equal to 3. So 81 you can write in 3 powers as 3 power 4. 3 power 4 whole power x equal to 3. What is a power m whole power n? A power m. Now 3 power 4x equal to 3 power, there is no power, means power is 1. Now bases are equal. Then bases are equal. If a power m equal to a power n, then you have to equate the powers. Now when equating the powers, 4x equal to 1. So 4x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 4. X means what? Which value you are assuming as x? Log 3 base 81. So log 3 base 81 equal to 1 by 4. So in this way, in both the methods you can do. Which method is convenient for you, in that method you can solve. Next to fifth one. Log root x base x. So which is equal to log root x, you can write x power 1 by 2. Exponential form of root x is x power 1 by 2 base x. There is no power, means 1. So 1 by 2 by 1 into log x base x. Here what is the formula you are using? That formula you have to write. Log a power m base b power n equal to m by n into log a base b. So 1 by 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. Log x base x value is 1. Since log a base a equal to 1. Now 1 by 2 into 1, you will get 1 by 2. Now using logarithmic form to exponential form, let you have to assume x equal to log root x base x if you are assuming any variable, because this problem is in terms of the variable x, that's why you are assuming this value as some m. So m equal to log root x base x. What is the formula you have? If x equal to log n to the base a, then a power x equal to n. Here m equal to log root x base x, therefore x power m equal to root x. So x power m equal to exponential form of x equal to root x equal to x power 1 by 2. Now equate, your bases are equal, now equating the powers. M equal to 1 by 2. M means what we are assuming? Log root x base x equal to 1 by 2. So in this way you can do in both the methods. So which method is easy and convenient for you, in that method you can do.